Good morning, everybody. Today is February 7th, 2020, and I would like to talk to you about the current state of the stock market. In the last 4 days, the stock market was going up by 300 points, 500 points, 200 points, and yesterday by 80 points. And I was just looking at the market, running some calculations that basically predicted that the probability for such an amazing run of 4 days in a row with over 100-point gain for Dow Jones is not gonna continue with huge probability. So I'm not sure what other people were thinking by buying yesterday, but what I did was, in the last basically a few minutes before the stock market closed, I actually purchased some puts on DIA, which is David, Iron, and Apple. That's the name of the ETF that I'm trading that matches Dow Jones. So right when the stock market was closing and DIA was trading at $294 a share, I actually bought a put that expired today. That's supposed to expire today at the end of the business day. And I bought a $293 put for just 50 cents. So why I bought it? The reason is that I was expecting Dow Jones to go down, and not just by a little bit, by quite a bit, because once you have something like Dow Jones to grow over 1,000 points in just 4 days, you know, there's a saying, trees don't grow to the sky. Meaning that if we assume that Dow Jones would continue to grow with such incredible gains every single day, Dow Jones would be 100,000 points by the end of the year. But we all know that Dow Jones last year, along with S&P 500, pulled around 20 to 30% gain, and that was incredible because historically the gains were in single digits, and here we just gained 1/3, at least especially for S&P 500. So I bought this put. Put is an option that allows me to sell, for example, DIA for $293 a share, no matter what happens till the end of today, till the end of Friday. So this morning, and immediately as soon as I bought it, I placed a limit order to sell it for $1.50 or 300% gain. And after that, I basically, closed my shop, closed my computer, and took the rest of the day off. So what happened today was that we had a mind-blowing job report. Something like 230,000 new positions were created in America. The situation is just amazing. Donald Trump is still in power, no impeachment. Chinese cutting tariffs on a bunch of US goods. So it's just a mountain of good news. And guess what? The stock market goes down 200 points, and I'm selling my $293 put for $1.50 or 300% gain. I bought it for 50 cents, sold it for $1.50. And here's a great lesson for you guys, is that market, when it goes up very quickly and very by high percentage points, or by 1,000 points for Dow Jones, no matter how many more good news you have, people have fear. They're afraid that such quick jump in value for Dow Jones and for the market in general is not going to continue. People are basically sitting on edge, cannot believe how much money they earned in the last 3 or 4 days if they were brave, and now they started to become scared, because what happens if nobody else is gonna, be excited about the market anymore because they just missed a huge growth, and now they're probably, even if they're considering to buy anything, they're looking for a dip, because nobody wants to be a fool and buy market at sky-high prices just to see their money drop in value when the stock market suddenly dips. And this is exactly what happened. So the market, even though we had a mountain or avalanche of good news, the market still sold off. And I was just reading the news and people were surprised. Why did it happen? Why such a weird reaction on the good news? Why? Because trees don't grow to the sky and people get scared when they're sitting on a lot of quick profits. So, if you would like to know what to actually buy in a stock market, please go to the website 2stx.com, or as I like to say, 2stocks.com, and download my app, which runs on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV, and covers 5,000 actively traded stocks with buy and sell ratings that are being updated daily. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.